The experience of LUMIAUDIO's factories allow us to maintain a leading role as an audio product manufacturer. Highly trained, skilled employees work efficiently as part of the team that contributes to LUMIAUDIO having strong production capabilities and capacity, even during the busiest times of the year. This allows our customers to meet the most critical dates and deadlines for the markets they serve. Loudspeaker production requires a detailed eye and ear to produce quality-sounding, long-lasting speaker products. LUMIAUDIO's production line is capable of complex assembly and testing, software programming, assembly, and careful attention to packaging. The LUMIAUDIO loudspeaker factory has industry-standard criteria and processes that provide exceptional quality control that result in consistent product quality throughout the life of the product and the highest user experience.